Okay, well, good afternoon and welcome to DTS. You're here on the Texaram stand, and it's our pleasure to have Benjamin Hess from Follow Me Technologies. Hello, Benjamin. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you again.
And also Fabian Steuer from Scheftner. Both come over from Germany just to work with us on our stand. Just going to have a little chat, aren't we? An informal chat about the metal market and just the way we see things going forward. We're standing in front of a Imes-Icore milling machine, and milling machines have been used for many years to mill zirconia, metal and composite materials. But in the last few years, 3D printing has also come on stream, and we're starting to see changes now. So here we are at DTS. It's a 2-day show where we see all the biggest brands in Europe and beyond exhibiting their products. We've got labs visiting and also clinicians visiting. And at Texaram, we pride ourselves on being very technically strong and helping labs and clinicians to go digital. So we sell everything from the software for the mills, the materials, and 3D printers. So I'm here with the two guests I introduced earlier, with Benjamin from Follow Me Technologies. And Benjamin, just tell us a little bit about your business.
Yeah, okay. So Follow Me was working since 2011 on implant manufacturing. We have now worldwide 60 employees. We have application engineers all over the world where we can support our distributors like Texaram. Texaram is now in a very comfortable situation that we can support you directly from our headquarters in Germany. Our cam is only a dental cam.
Yeah.
Compared to other cam providers on the market, we are only focused on dental. This is our only business. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Benjamin. So Fabian, just tell us a little bit about Scheftner.
Yeah, so Scheftner is since 30 years we're on the dental market. We are a manufacturer of non-precious metals. And basically we started with, like everybody else, in the traditional casting. So we produced small ingots, and then as the world turned in digital, we started to produce our milling disc, like this one, which you use with a Hyperdent software also in the milling machine, like the Imes-Icore, which is a pretty good machine, by the way.
Thank you.
But we also get one step further, digital, going to the 3D printing. And it's also a part where Benjamin drops in, because the Hyperdent has the best software solution for that.
So we're just going to have a little chat now about the market, how we see the market going forward in metal production, and maybe slightly different in the UK to mainland Europe and Asia. So Benjamin, how do you think the UK market is going to develop?
I think it's going step by step. It's maybe a little bit slow development. Even this is on a global scale, not only for UK market.
Okay.
But I think now, as we now release our hybrid module, this is something where dental technicians can benefit from both worlds, from the metal printing and the post milling. So I think this is maybe a very good way of production for dental needs.
And at Texaram, the trend that we really see is that people have offshored their metal production over the last 10, 20 years, but now they're bringing it back, and we're seeing medium to large size labs finding that they can afford to invest in a mill when they could never have done that in the past. So that's great for us, a great opportunity for us. We're so pleased to be distributing Imes-Icore mills, a full range of mills. So Fabian, let's just have a little chat about SLM then. So sintering laser metal.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Oh, it's a little bit difficult because it's a huge topic. So, but laser melting is it's a process which starting 5 years ago, going to the dental, but it was 10 years ago or 15 years ago it was invented. But now the price drops down from the machine, so it's affordable for more and more labs, and especially like every bigger production center, they have enough money to invest now in a laser melting unit, a milling machine, and then put the software together, and then they can produce all the parts out of one production.
Yeah.
And this is what is pretty new. I mean, you said you launch it in this IDS maybe, so it's brand new. So formerly you need more systems to produce it.
So we're seeing a trend really of equipment going down in price, and labs being able to afford to invest, whereas they used to subcontract that work out. So metal milling's been around for a while now, but SLM laser metal sintering is relatively new.
But also what you mentioned, the metal melting is in the UK.
Yeah.
It's just starting.
Just starting.
It's just starting in the UK. In the worldwide, or especially in Germany, it comes to the end of the period,
Right.
of the life
Just
period.
quite mature.
Now we invest in new machines, and then they have to decide melting or laser melting.
So is there a place for both then, for milling and for laser melting then?
Have to.
Yeah.
Have to.
So
I think especially in big milling centers where they have some, let's say where the workload somehow surpasses the capacities in the milling center, where they have to metal print some parts just to get rid of machining time.
Yeah.
And even for the tools, you need less machining time. It's better for your tools. You only mill like special parts like the implant geometry, like emergence curves, and so on. And so I think this is the most beneficial point.
Yeah.
From metal printing and post milling.
Totally agree.
And so with additive printing, with metal printing, obviously you're only using the material that you need, whereas with milling, obviously there's waste, isn't there, because you're subtracting some material. But I mean, the metal milling has got a real big future still, though, hasn't it? Particularly in the UK market, cobalt, chrome, and titanium. But we'll also see growth in metal printing as well, won't we?
I mean, this is like you have to divide between a production center and a milling center.
Yeah.
And the production center cover a whole area, because to invest the money for a laser melting machine and a milling machine, we need a lot of jobs.
Yeah.
And this, I don't know, in the UK market, I think 2 people have it, but I think 10 to 15 will have the capacity to invest in a good milling machine with good metal material.
Yeah.
And then if the capacity is full load, they can think about invest in a laser melting. So
Okay.
it goes step by step.
So whilst I'm talking to you, Fabian, just tell us why we should be working with Scheftner then. What's so special about your company?
Especially with our company, we are very friendly,
Yeah.
very handsome. No, it's like Scheftner offers
Can you confirm that?
Yeah.
Scheftner offers a very good combination between quality and price, which is pretty important. Reliable process, reliable product, and this is what we offer to our customers, especially working together with our dealers. As newly we started with Texaram, so we're very pleased to start now here. Also with Imes-Icore in the combination, it's a perfect combination. And I don't want to feel arrogant, but the market says that our disc is the best one in the market.
Okay.
So we believe the market.
Yeah.
So that's why you better work with the best.
Yeah, we believe that. Thank you. And Benjamin, just tell us, what differentiates Follow Me Technologies from other CAM producers or designers.
Well, basically we have been the only company who came out with a hybrid module. We have been the only ones who, or the first ones who developed this hybrid manufacturing. And so I think we are working constantly to improve things, not only in the hybrid manufacturing, but especially for Imes-Icore mills. We have these validated template setups, so everything is very, very user-friendly and very easy to use for customers or for the users. And we have so many safety mechanisms in our software which are incorporated in Hyperdent, like collision control, consistency check, and so on and so on. So, which makes it really, really comfortable for a user.
Yeah.
And we absolutely appreciate to work with Texaram because you don't only sell the machine along with the software. You have, as you can see here in your booth, you have a full solution. So you're a wholesale company, you're selling the materials, you're selling the tools, and this makes it really effortless for us to work together with you because we know your customers rely on you and we can rely on you, that you are selling your customers the right tools. And so this makes it really easy, and this is why I think the cooperation between Texaram and us is really effortless.
Yeah, well, we're very pleased to work with Follow Me and with Scheftner, and just the fact that everything is joined up, as you say, because it should give the labs and clinicians peace of mind that everything's been tested to work together seamlessly. So thank you very much, Benjamin. Thank you very much. And thank you, Fabian. Thank you.